Boom! So guess what? We are back in Stratford. Not Upon Haven, just Stratford. But yeah, it's an absolutely beautiful place here, man. I did a video here before featuring my car. My girlfriend featured my car for me. If you want to check that video out, it's going to be somewhere down in the description, or I don't know, probably the end of this video, I don't know. But yeah, we're out here. Obviously, you guys know I sold the S3 because, yeah, like I said, business, trying to level up the business and all that stuff. You know how it is. But yeah, man. But yeah, I said I was going to get a banger, and that's what I did. Obviously, at the moment, I don't want to buy something crazy stupid. Well, not stupid, but I don't want to buy like a M3 or something like that, like a really fast, expensive car, because I want to grow the business a little bit. Then we'll go up to obviously venture out of actually getting, you know, something nicer. But yeah, for now, this is what we got. We got beautiful. I don't even want to call it beautiful because it's not beautiful. This ugly ass.
It's all right.
This ugly ass VW Polo, yeah. Obviously, I wanted the new shape one, but obviously they were a little bit too pricey. I don't want to say how much I paid for this, but all I'm gonna say is I paid less than £100. So yeah, less than 100. Oh, 100.
Doesn't sound right.
£100. I mean £1,000. Yeah, I paid way less than £1,000 for this piece of garbage here. But yeah, it's a VW Polo. The one thing I like about it actually is that the interior is very clean. I'll show you guys around the car in a bit, but yeah, man. I mean, it's a little bit rough on the edges, you know. This light here needs a bit of polishing. This one here is all right. It's starting to wear out a little bit, but we can fix that, not a problem. But yeah, man, this is what we're driving at the moment. We're driving a 2007 Polo. But yeah, man, right, let me show you guys the bad side of the car and well, actually the good side. I mean, the only good side is that the interior is clean. That's about it. But yeah, that's about it. I'll show you guys the bad side of the car and show you guys like inside of the car and stuff like that now. Right, okay guys, so like I said to you guys, I bought this car less than £1,000. And let me show you guys why this car was less than £1,000. Actually, they wanted like a little bit more closer to £1,000, but I had to knock the price down because of the amount of stuff that I found in this car that was absolutely crazy, yeah? So yeah, let me break it down with you guys, tell you exactly what's wrong with this car, and yeah, let's get it. You come to a car, you wanna jump in the car, you have to open the door, right? But guess what? This door opens. Yep, door opens, you can see everything. And guess what? Door doesn't open at all. I don't know what's going on, yeah, but when you pull this, it doesn't open from the inside either, so I do not understand why. Same with this other side as well, yeah. Doesn't open, look at this. Nope. This one opens, and this one doesn't even open from the inside either. So yeah, door doesn't open. The boot, open the boot up, you'd think, oh my days, you'd think the boot would stay up, but as you can see there, no strut. There's a strut there, no strut there, so this car's boot actually doesn't stay up. Does not stay up at all, you have to hold it up, which is one of the reasons why as well. Yeah, also it's got a big ass oil leak at the bottom as well. It's not pissing out, it's just, you know, from the age of it, the underneath of the sump is white. It's full of oil, but it's not like leaking or anything. But yeah, that's that. And then the bodywork as well is absolutely in a state condition, as you can see there. Yeah, it's absolutely, you can see the bumper there. The paint is actually starting to like peel off. And then just, I mean, it's not, I mean, for the age of it, 2007, it's not in a crazy bad like state, but you can still see there's like a few dents like over there. I don't know if you can see, literally right there. You can see there that there's a dent there. But apart from that, the car is actually not too bad. Like, the bonnet is fine. The front end is really, really good, but I feel like it's been in an accident at some point because, as you can see in here, the bumper is not aligned properly with the wing of the car. So yeah, man, I don't know what happened there. And then, like I said to you guys in the beginning of the video, the flipping lights, yeah, that one is not clean, but that one is shiny. Yeah, man, I mean, at least the number plates are still fresh, which is good. But yeah, I mean, coming to this side of the car, you can still see there as well, see the bumper there, a little bit of scratch there, a little bit there on the passenger side front door as well. And then obviously over here as well, there's a dent on the door there as well. So yeah, the paintwork here is not looking good at all. But I mean, like, apart from that, I mean, the roof actually does not look bad. There's nothing really on the roof at all. Like, well, I mean, apart from that scratch over there, but it's nothing crazy, man. And I thought there was no chip on this glass, but just now, before I was about to film the video, I did notice, yeah? I did notice that right there. That's a chip right there on the glass. But I mean, it doesn't really matter because at the end of the day, the price that I paid for this car was like just, like, you would expect things like this to, you know, to be wrong with the car. But I mean, I'm not, you know, I'm not crying. You know, I'm not gonna be like, oh, it's the end of the world or whatever. But at the moment, the car, for me at the moment, it's just obviously just for now till obviously the business grows and, you know, I can, you know, spend a bit more money on something else, you know, a lot more better, because obviously we were the S3. I'm not saying I sold the S3 because I couldn't afford it. I could afford it, but obviously, time, it had to be done, man. For me to grow my business, I had to sell it. But yeah, we're coming back big. We're coming back huge, massive, mad car coming soon, bro. I'm gonna probably have this like for a few months, and then that's about it, man. She's gonna probably still stay in the fleet, use her for my little daily and stuff like that, run around the shops and all that stuff, but then have something nice. The only hint I'm gonna give is it's a supercar. That's all I'm gonna say. That's all I'm gonna say. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you guys the seat. The seat on this car is so crisp and clean. It's ridiculous, bruv. Like, what the hell? 2007 plate car, and look how clean the seats are, bruv. Like, nothing on them. I mean, a little bit of scratch, like, stuff there, but like, there's no rips. There's no like stains. Actually, there's a little bit of stain on that seat, but it's not like crazy. Like, the backrest, absolutely shiny. The back as well, it's like no one ever flipping sat in there, bruv. It's crazy. But yeah, man, she drives straight, which is absolutely insane. Oh yeah, one more thing that doesn't work. When you put the ignition on, the lights come on, but the middle, that little rectangular looking thing there is meant to display stuff, but it doesn't display anything. So yeah, it's got one of those stereo things, but it doesn't work properly. The touchscreen is crazy. Like, you touch something, but you're actually touching the thing next to it. I don't understand what's going on there, but it is what it is, man. But yeah, man, that's the banger there. I got her cleaned today, yeah, and she cleaned up nicely, and oh my gosh, what? It's got diamond cut wheels. No way. What? I thought yesterday was so dirty when I picked it up, yeah. I saw it was like a little bit nighttime, yeah, and I was like, they look like diamond cut wheels because of the way the light was shining on them, but I didn't really think much of it. I was like, this car, 2007 plate, it's not gonna come with diamond cut wheels. But looking at it now, wow, actually has diamond cut wheels. That's pretty cool. I mean, for the price I paid for it, that's pretty cool. Right, okay, so the only thing is this, yeah. Obviously, the VW Polo, obviously looks stuck, so stuck right now, yeah. The thing is, I can put money into it to making it look good, yeah. Obviously, I want to fix those doors at the back, but I don't know if I'm gonna fix them or not because I don't really take anyone with me in the car, so probably not gonna fix it, but I don't really know. But obviously, like I said, it's stuck as hell at the moment. So basic, yeah. I got money to put into it, like I said, to make it look nicer. I was gonna actually get the new shape Polo, not the new shape, probably like the shape after this one, maybe like the 2000 and, I don't know, 15 or no, 2010, 2012, and that, you know, that era, to 2015 as well. But yeah, I was gonna get that shape and then I was gonna put money into it. But this one, I don't know if I want to put money into making it look nice, like a boy racer type of car. But it's not going to be loud. It's just going to be aesthetically pleasing. I'm going to do work on it, like the exterior. That's it. I'm not going to do anything with the engine or the exhaust or anything, just to make it look a little bit nicer, you know, as well to promote the business and stuff like that. But yeah, man. But I don't want to really do anything to it. But then I kind of want to do it. Okay, let me be honest. I don't really want to do anything to it. But here's a nice challenge for you guys, yeah? I don't want to do anything to it, but if you guys have any suggestions for me to do to the car, anything you want, yeah? I don't know, paint the wheels green, paint the wheels pink, I don't know. Like, the wheels are going to get refurbished at some point because I want to refurbish them. But yeah, man, I don't know, put some crazy sticker on it, put a bumper on it, I don't know, do anything you guys literally wants me to do to this car, I will do it. I'll build it with you guys. If you're a subscriber or I don't know, you just stumbled across my video and you want to be in the series of building this car, how you guys want me to build it, then let me know. Put all your suggestions down below in the comment section below, yeah? Tell me what you want me to do with this flipping car, man. It's so ugly, yeah? It looks all right. The missus think it looks all right, but I think it's ugly. Yeah, I mean, is what it is, man, is what it is. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Thank you so much. New adventure with me and you guys building the VW Polo or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, man, hit that subscribe button if you want to obviously come along with the journey with me. Turn on your post notifications as well. And yeah, like the video and share the video as well so that your friends can tell me what they want me to do to the Polo. And yeah, man, I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace. Actually, before we go, I don't know what to call her. I kind of want to go with Shaniqua. What did you say? Huh?
Frank.
Huh?
Frank.
She wants me to call her Frank, but I mean, it kind of looks like a boy, maybe. I don't know. Yeah, you think it kind of looks like a boy? I don't know.
Jimmy.
Huh?
Jimmy.
Jimmy? Right, I thought you said Jamie. I kind of want to keep it as Shaniqua, but guys, let me know in the comment section, what should I call it? Because I don't know. But yeah, man, it's been me, Shaniqua for now, and Bay behind the camera. I'll see you guys in a bit. Peace. That's a wrap, cousin, you know.